Okay lang po. Dito ako. Doon ka.
Ganon? Dapat na ganon?
This song is lovingly dedicated to myself and I hope I like it. Here and there, although I don't understand exactly how it all began, Jesus walked away. I'm holding on when all the passion's gone, and from the start, maybe I was trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. And here was I, when they ignored our crossing sign, but they learned from what's left behind and fight for something else. And so it goes that we have both